Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best security camera system wireless 1080p in the market right now. The SimpliSafe 6-piece wireless home security system with outdoor camera. Whether you're a tech lover, a safety-conscious homeowner, or just someone looking for peace of mind, this system delivers everything you need to keep your home secure without the complexity. Right out of the box, SimpliSafe lives up to its name. Simple to set up, seriously secure. There's no complicated installation, no need for a technician. You can have it up and running in minutes. The package includes a base station, keypad, entry sensor, motion sensor, the outdoor camera, and a key fob. Everything is designed to snap into place effortlessly, all connected through a secure wireless setup. One of the standout features is the full control you get with the SimpliSafe mobile app. From anywhere in the world, you can arm and disarm your system, monitor your home in real time, and even get push alerts when something's not right. The integration with Alexa and Google Assistant makes voice control a breeze, adding a layer of smart convenience to your daily routine. Now let's talk about the outdoor camera. This is where SimpliSafe really flexes. The Outdoor Camera Series 2 gives you an ultra-wide 140-degree field of view. It's crystal clear with 1080p HD resolution and features color night vision, powered by a built-in spotlight. That means you get sharp, vibrant footage even in low light, capturing every detail whether it's day or night. But SimpliSafe doesn't just watch, it acts. With Active Guard outdoor protection, the system uses advanced AI to identify potential threats. Once it spots suspicious activity, it alerts SimpliSafe's professional monitoring team. They can speak directly through the camera, sound the built-in siren, and even request emergency dispatch if necessary. It's security that responds before things escalate. And yes, you get 1 month of free professional monitoring when you start, giving you fast police response when you need it the most. That level of flexibility is rare in the world of home security systems. When it comes to installation, SimpliSafe offers both wired and wireless options for the outdoor camera. It includes a rechargeable battery for quick setup, but also ships with a power cable if you prefer a wired connection for uninterrupted service. This system is designed to be proactive, not reactive. It doesn't just alert you when something happens, it helps prevent it altogether. From motion sensors that detect movement inside, to entry sensors that trigger when doors or windows open, every piece of the puzzle is tuned for maximum protection. At a price point just under $300, with no contracts, app control, smart assistant integration, and professional-grade surveillance features. The SimpliSafe 6-piece wireless home security system is an unbeatable package. It's clear, it's smart, and most importantly, it's safe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your home security, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next breakdown of the smartest tech in the market. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.